We had a group of monkeys visiting the neighborhood recently. There were 6 of them, including a little baby sitting on the mother's lap. Here's one strutting about proudly. They were peacefully sitting on the roof of this dilapidated, crumbling old building with plants shooting out of every crack in the bricks. Here is one feasting on the leaves. People looking about curiously. Mommy is hungry. Mommy needs to have her lunch. Agitated crows flying about. So mommy goes for a meal and baby is distraught. Mommy, mommy, where did you go? I wanna go too. Mommy, come back. Hey, brat, where do you think you're going? Dad steps in. No, I don't want to go. Leave me alone. No. Dad or aunt takes care of little baby while mommy has her meal.